Welcome to today's video. Be prepared to witness some tense moments on the railway where a small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Be careful. Enjoy. Two women got off a moving train at Purulia station in West Bengal. One almost fell. She was saved by RPF officer Bablu Kumar. The man cycled through the barrier and across the railway tracks just as the train was coming. Video of the train and vehicle incident on March 10, 2016. Police officer Harold Duncan helps a motorist stuck on the train tracks. The driver of a car at a railway crossing in Tarnov did not have time to leave the crossing when the barrier closed, so the passenger train hit the back of the car. Oh, the driver's luck is used all at once. The ambulance entered the railway with a red light and the barrier fell down. Luckily, no one was injured. Two people who were unloading goods from a pickup truck had a lucky escape when they were almost hit by the truck. A woman is lucky to be alive after escaping from her car just minutes before a train collided with her vehicle. The Volvo XC60 had a Joinville license plate and was destroyed in the collision. The driver suffered minor injuries.
For exit 15E and a couple of problems on the
A Volvo traveling in the opposite direction collided with a Scania truck. The driver escaped unharmed. Motorcyclist escapes death in front of truck. Motorcyclist accidentally overtakes, luckily escapes death under container wheels. When driving at a speed of more than 100 km/h on the highway, not keeping a safe distance can easily lead to an incident like the one in the clip. Losing control on a slippery, rainy road, the truck almost collided with a pedestrian. Stopping suddenly and reversing on the highway is extremely dangerous and can lead to other incidents.
He was actually, Martin, upside down, as you can see. The roll hoop and the halo very much doing its job before the car digs in.
He was actually, Martin, upside down, as you can see. The roll hoop and the halo very much doing its job before the car digs in.
A truck driver traveling at high speed on a slippery, rainy road almost caused a collision with a group of people waiting at a red light.
Jedź! O nie! O nie! O nie! O! O Boże! Czemu on nie jedzie? Boże święty! Matko Boska! O Boże! Co się stało? Żyje?
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you find the content interesting and useful, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. We will continue to bring you interesting and quality content. Thank you, and see you in the next video.